Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Skilla there again with a one that really crap my brain. You see me I say? Whether brother you really a say in the one ya, I can't really say. You see me? Listen this good, right? Me no longer play it over, you know. Listen, observe.
What you say about that? Tell me back everything what you say about that.
The man say, in years I have man penis in my mouth. So me say yes, me no batty man do. You understand? So he say, in years I suck pussy and cock. So me say yes, me no batty man do. And he start to style me and he take up a piece of stick and run me down ready for lick me.
So how that time?
Up a week seal.
How it am? How?
No, me and the Rasta man and the Rasta man and my mother were friend. So he come in my yard one day now and see me in my underpants. And start praying me. But me never know what him up to. So him now start to tell me say, boy, he want me to give him a deep throat. So me say, yeah man, me can't do it man. Yeah. Because I tell him say, boy, a long time I know him and a long time I know my mother. Is it? And he say, yeah man, come on. Is it? And me and him go down a river and he start to say, boy, I like what you do it. You see me? So me say, boy, you have to give me a money, you know. So he start to tell me, say, you don't have no money, but you not go do me nothing. But you don't give me the money now, me come talk and him dead.
So you thought they cannot give the money?
Yeah.
Which Rasta man there?
Oh, Rasta man, his name is CTO.
CTO, where come from?
Wake Seal him come from.
That's clear.
A long game, alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. People, wanna tell me what really a go on here, so right? That one is some country, me don't know what to say. This one, it sound, well, yo, look, me not have to say it contrary, it's more than obvious what really go on. You see me I say? It's one of the two things to me. It's either A, this man is a madman, or B, it is as it seems. You see me I say? Yo, check though. Yo, listen to me, big up on yourself, yeah, man. Let me tell you something, this world, you have to have a whole lot of different people. If you don't have a whole lot of different people, this world, you can't nice. Can't nice unless you have a whole different kind of people. You see what I say? Big man thing. You see? Yo, but don't watch nothing still. You see what I say? The main point it is, another two things again, it look like he honest or my tell lie. So, you see me? That Jado star. That one you get my brain cramping because you see what I say? Me feel embarrassed. Me feel laugh. Me don't know what to feel. The thing. You see what I say? Boy, anyways. Hey, Jamaicans, no big up on yourself, yeah, man. You see me I say, no big up on yourself whole heap of times, every time. You see me I say, trust me, me respect Uno. You know, all Jamaicans, but for respect Uno. You see me I say. Anyways, that video, I put that video to Uno for ask Uno what you think about everything what this man just said. You get what me I say? Because me really and truly, me alone can't really analyze that one. Either come like when you go to courthouse. If you notice you have a jury different from the judge and then you have a lawyer. You see me I say? So right now, owner the jury. You see me I say? Me? Nobody call me no judge. But big man thing, me alone can't solve that one. Because that one mind numbing me. You understand? Alright, so Jamaicans big up on yourself. You know a thing go. Whole world big up on yourself. Because I don't want to feel like it's a racist things. You know? This has nothing to do with no nation separation, segregation thing. You know? You see me I say? All I'm saying is big up on yourself. Anyone who come from the whole world, the whole world. So I say, and if you're new to my channel, please, you have to click the subscribe button if you want to stay tuned to see what going on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica's Skilla Entertainment. You know the thing, right? Big up to my viewers, and my name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall scilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.